Are you looking for to download music on Android for free? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily download it. Start by moving into the Play Store on your device. Once you're inside the Play Store, in the source bar, you need to search for Download Music Mp3 and then install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on Open. Now wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this home page. Once you're in the home page, click on the search bar. Here, search for the specific music that you want to download it on your device. Once you have searched for it, tons of different other songs will be available to you. Scroll down and search for the specific song. Once you're in this page, click on any of the songs that you want to download. Let me click on this one for now. Once you've clicked on it, once again tap on the song at the bottom of the screen. You can see the option of download at the bottom. Click on this download icon and it will start to download it on your device. You need to wait for a while for it to download. And here you can see it says downloaded successfully. In order to check it out, go back and click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. You will see the option of download. Click on it. You can see these are the list of the song that has been downloaded on your device. So this is simply how you can download music on your device for free. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.